Hey Pyros, welcome back. I hope everybody's doing okay and that your July 4th preparations are going well. I thought I would post a quick video and maybe this helps you build your own rack. I got all these candles, big. I mean, my God, these things are big, 88 shots a piece. And then I've got these packs of small, so 60 shots per pack. And then I got this scrap wood from the last rack that I built. I'm hoping to use that up. And if I'm successful, I will post a video right after this, but wish me luck. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. If I'm successful, maybe this helps you guys use up some scrap wood and build a pretty cool rack. Anyway, welcome back Pyros. I am done. I have actually built a Roman candle rack using scrap wood. All this stuff was in my garage. I almost took it out to the recycling center from my last mortar rack build, but I'm glad I saved it. Came in pretty handy. So what I did is I had some 2x4s, 1x4s, and I had some 1/2 inch thick plywood that I saved from my last build. What I did is I put in kind of a pocket to slide in and drop your average Roman candle. So here I've got 18 Roman candles that I'll use for the start of my July 4th show. And then I made these larger pockets for the larger candles. So I got these 3-inch Roman candles in the back, and I'll use these to start my finale. These are red, green, gold, glitter, 88 shots a piece. Anyway, I'm a little bit excited, happy, but that's what it looks like. So the only thing I have to be careful is fire jumping across to here. So I don't know how I'm going to protect that, but let's see what I can do. Anyway, it's awesome. It's done. If you guys need some ideas, let me know. Send me some comments. Otherwise, like, subscribe. Again, I appreciate your support. Thank you.